Have you ever wondered if tiny insects could revolutionize the future food industry? In massive farms across China, billions of mealworms are being raised to become a sustainable, environmentally friendly protein source. Previously known only as pet food, today these humble creatures are leading a true food revolution. Let's explore the journey of farming and processing mealworms into valuable products, from the delicate egg stage to the superior benefits they offer. Mealworms, despite their name suggesting worms, are actually the larvae of the darkling beetle, Tenebrio mollitor. They begin life from tiny eggs, hatching into mealworm larvae, then gradually transforming through stages to become adult beetles. These highly adaptable creatures can survive in almost any environment, from home gardens, professional farms, even to outer space. In fact, mealworms have been sent to the International Space Station, ISS, for scientists to study their survival in zero-gravity conditions, a testament to their remarkable resilience and versatility. What makes mealworms special is their role as excellent natural recyclers. They can consume a variety of organic waste, including dry leaves, cardboard, and even styrofoam, a hard-to-degrade plastic. Through digestion, they turn this waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer, enriching the soil. Researchers are actively exploring mealworms' potential in addressing the global plastic waste crisis, as they can break down materials that take decades to naturally decompose in the environment. So why are more and more people interested in raising mealworms? The reason lies in the simplicity and efficiency of the farming process. In professional farms, mealworms are kept in shallow trays or boxes with substrate like wheat bran or oats, serving both as comfortable bedding and primary food source. These trays are often stacked on large racks, placed in cool, dark spaces to match their nocturnal instincts. Dim light helps reduce stress, maintain health, and enhance activity, thereby increasing farming productivity. Regarding nutrition, mealworms are very undemanding. They mainly eat grains, vegetables, and decomposing organic matter. They can even thrive on a simple vegan diet without requiring complex care or high costs. The reproduction process of mealworms starts with mating between adult beetles. Females lay eggs in a warm, dry environment with abundant food. To optimize larvae collection, the most important part, farmers prepare high-quality substrate like wheat bran or oats where they can safely lay eggs. After mating, a female beetle can lay 70 to 100 eggs in a dark, moist place with plentiful food. These eggs quickly hatch into creamy white larvae. The larvae gradually grow, reaching lengths from half an inch to 1 inch depending on age. They undergo molting 10 to 14 times, shedding their outer skin to grow before turning into pupae. The pupal stage lasts flexibly from 6 to 300 days depending on environmental temperature. Warmer temperatures accelerate the process. Feeding the larvae is quite simple. Farmers sprinkle food directly into the trays, daily or every 2 to 3 days, depending on the number of larvae. This ensures they always get sufficient nutrition for optimal development. Typically, larvae consume all the food in the tray, but if not replenished timely or changed periodically, some leftover food may accumulate. Therefore, farmers need to check regularly, replace with fresh food to maintain a clean, hygienic environment, prevent diseases, and ensure final product quality. After about 2 to 3 months of careful rearing, mealworm larvae reach ideal size for harvest. At this point, they are ready for subsequent processing steps. Despite their small size, mealworms bring enormous benefits, becoming the star in worm farms. In the larval stage, they are an ideal food source for many animals, especially favored by bird and reptile owners. With high protein content along with abundant vitamins and minerals, mealworms provide balanced, nutritious meals, helping pets stay healthy, develop well, and maintain strong vitality. The mealworm processing process mainly focuses on two methods: drying and grinding into powder. After harvest, they are dried using modern techniques like air drying, freeze drying, or specialized dehydrators to maximize nutrient preservation and extend shelf life for many months. Once dried, mealworms can be ground into fine powder, often used as protein supplements in pet food or healthy snacks. Additionally, they can be mixed with other foods and pressed into convenient nutrition bars, a creative, easy-to-use distribution form. Not limited to animal feed, mealworms are increasingly recognized as a high-quality protein alternative to traditional meat in human diets. According to scientific studies, dried mealworms contain about 45 to 70% protein by dry weight, much higher than beef, about 25 to 30% or chicken. While rich in essential amino acids, vitamins like B12, E, and minerals, iron, zinc, magnesium. Mealworm protein is of quality comparable or superior to whey protein from milk, with good absorption and effective muscle-building support. Compared to animal meat, raising mealworms requires far fewer resources, over 80% less land, thousands of times less water, and significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions. This is why mealworms are encouraged by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, as a sustainable protein source for the future, especially as the world population is projected to exceed 9 billion. In Europe, mealworms have been approved as novel food since 2021, and by 2025, UV-treated mealworm powder is allowed in bread, pasta, cheese, fruit jams at certain ratios. Many products have launched, such as protein bars, cookies, insect burgers, or nutritional powders. In Asia, including Thailand, China, and parts of Vietnam, eating insects has long been common, though mealworms are mainly used for livestock. The global market is booming, projected to reach billions of USD due to demand for alternative proteins. Mealworms may be small, but their value is endless, from waste recycling to sustainable protein for both animals and humans. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content.